Tensions escalated between Malacanang and former Congressman Mike Defensor following revelations about an alleged next batch of witnesses in a multi-billion peso bribery controversy. The palace branded Defensor as Ador Mawanay 2.0, but he fired back, urging officials not to divert attention from corruption issues and to maintain professionalism. This report. Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro questioned the credibility of former Congressman Mike Defensor after he claimed that another group of former soldiers would soon expose alleged bribery within the government. Castro said statements like these clearly aim to destabilize the administration.
Mike Defensor, the known Wonder Boy. Marami sa kanyang talumpati ang naghihikayat sa ating mga kababayan natanggalin sa pwesto ang ating Pangulo. Alam na natin ang motibo. Mike Defensor again, Ador Mawanay 2.0. Kilala ang salitang Mawanay dahil sa pamimilit di umano sa kanya na gumawa ng peking salaysay.
Defensor quickly denied the accusations, insisting he had no involvement whatsoever in the Ador Mawanay controversy and accused the palace of spreading misinformation.
Well, unang sa lahat, yung pag-spin nila ng kwento mali. Bakit mali? Kasi yung Ador Mawanay, ni wala kahit anong issue o involvement ako dyan na mix up nila ay yung udong mahusay. Yan yung, at mismo si Senator Ping Lacson na nagklaro dyan na sa isang press conference, sabi niya hindi, udong mahusay ang pinipilit nilang kwento.
Defensor reminded Castro to exercise caution in her statements, saying Malacanang is not a store where gossip can be casually thrown about.
Si Yuse Claire Castro ay spokesperson ng presidente at dapat siguro may pag-iingat sa mga pagsasalita dahil hindi naman to kwentuhang chismisan na marites sa palengke o kaya sa sari-sari store. No, she's speaking for the president and represents Malacanang. Tapos, pangalawa, siyempre dapat yung posturing should be sober, precise, and statesmanlike.
The former lawmaker challenged the palace to address the real issue of corruption instead of attacking his personality.
Ang isyong to ay hindi tungkol sa akin o kay Claire Castro. Ang isyong to ay tungkol sa nakawan. Tungkol sa nakawan ng Pondo ng Bayan, delivery ng bilyong-bilyong pera. 100 beses sinasabi nag-deliver kay Speaker Martin Romualdez at kay Bongbong Marcos.
Defensor urged Malacanang to confront the alleged multi-billion peso misuse of public funds instead of targeting him. He also called on the Ombudsman and Congress to conduct a full and impartial investigation.
Kung talagang seryoso sila dyan sa kampanya ng korupsyon, hindi ba dapat ang gawin natin dyan ay iudyok nila? Ang Blue Ribbon Committee, ang Kongreso, ang Good Government Committee at maging ang Ombudsman na imbestigahan itong kasong to.
Defensor also vowed to continue assisting future batches of whistleblowers who claim to have personal knowledge of the alleged budget syndicate.
Ako tutulungan ko yung mga yan hanggat sa kaya kong tulungan dahil itong mga taong to hindi nakinabang sa nakawan. Ang mga taong to may personal knowledge. Sila yung mismong nag-deliver ng pera. Sila ang humahawak ng perang umiikot at nagdi-deliver.
Meanwhile, the Armed Forces of the Philippines clarified that the individuals presented are no longer under their jurisdiction due to their current service status. The Philippine Navy also stated that based on their records, not all those who surfaced were members of the Marine Corps, and many were either discharged dishonorably or separated from service. Defensor, however, maintained that these clarifications are immaterial, stressing that the alleged multi-billion peso bribery has nothing to do with military operations.
Nagugulat ako no nagsalita ang AFP, ang Philippine Navy tungkol dito, wala namang koneksyon. Retired na tong mga to. Wala namang koneksyon sa operasyong militar. Wala namang koneksyon na sinasabing dinamay sila na nag-deliver ng pera sa mga general ng AFP o kundi kaya sa Philippine Navy. So that is immaterial. Ang gusto nila kasi sirain ang kredibilidad nitong Marines.
For God and my beloved country, the Philippines, this has been Carlo de la Peña, SMNI News.